Hi, I'm Jeremy Sullivan with the Christian Black Team. We're out at our new subdivision, Fletchers Bend, showcasing some of our homes built by J.R. Miller Homes. This home that we're about to show you is sold, but we do have other lots available where you could do a pre-sold if you'd like. They're tree-lined lots, they're beautiful flat lots, so just let us know and we'll glad to get one set up for you. But this is the Liberty floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, all the rooms on the same level. It's just over 1,200 square feet, and it's listed at $279. Let's come check it out.